Well, folks, we're going to have a blood moon tonight and a lunar eclipse. Give you an idea what night it is, but Delia and I have said to the deer, we're done with you. We're done with you. And not to mention a little frost protection. You planted what in here today? Cauliflower. And last fall, Delia planted broccoli, cabbage, all that, and the deer ate it.
Yep.
And so
they devoured everything.
And yeah, one night we got about 7 deer on the neighbor. We counted today. They just kind of keep growing. And I know for a lot of you in a lot of different places that that's nothing. But this is our first, so we decided, well, we're gonna go in here. I see other people using row covers, not to mention there's some insect protection and some early fall advantages. This is the earliest we've ever planted outside, ain't it?
Yep.
So one more day of 70s and then we start getting chilly again.
Back in the 50s
with the low
30s.
Low 30s, so chances of frost and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so tomorrow's going to be incredibly windy. So that's why. So tonight's going to be in the tomorrow's going to be how much wind?
It's going to get to a max of 37 sustained and 50 to 60 gusts.
Yep. So this is our test, right?
Right. So I only wanted to do one row to see if it makes it through tomorrow with the high winds. If it doesn't, then what do we need to change?
Yep. And what did you so last year, what did the winds do to our cabbage this time of year?
I had them between the two tunnels, and they probably at least a third of them got ripped out.
They got ripped out, snapped off. We had problems with aphids. We had problems with a lot of things, but that wasn't the problem. Look at that old full moon over there, folks. Yep. But anyway, I tell you, this is pretty impressive. I could see us actually, you know, we got enough to do 4 more rows. And so Sunday's the next planting day. But what we're doing, we put a stake in, zip tied it, and then we got a lot of, every 10 feet we put a hoop. Now, and then a sandbag. So a sandbag and a hoop every 10 feet. Looks all right to us, but we don't know what right is, does it? So yeah.
Right now we're about maybe 20.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're gonna get to 37.
Yeah.
Big difference.
Yeah, it's a big deal. But anyway, we got her. I'm real happy with it. I know one thing is it'll certainly surprise them old deer, won't it? I mean, they're used to walking down here and having a smorgasbord. Now they gotta do something else. Maddie, you gonna get a mole for us?
Yeah, get one, Maddie.
No mole. She says she gave up. Yeah, she is a grubber. All right, folks. Well, we had a wonderful night, and Delia and I got ourselves a lot of sandbags today. But it's going to take a lot of sandbags. I could see us having to.
1.5 tons of sand.
I could see us having to a 1.5 tons. I can see where we're probably going to have to get one more sandbagging day if we get another 500 feet of it. And is what it is. I mean, but if it don't blow away, and we keep the plants alive, and we're one of the first ones that market to have sustained crops. I mean, that's the whole key. So now we made our June better, right? I mean, our June has more produce than we've ever had by just this action. And so come Sunday, she's gonna go in the high tunnel and she's gonna pull out more. So, all right, let's go ahead and close up the greenhouse tonight. I'm kind of tired. Are you?
Yeah.
I'm tired. All right, thanks for watching, folks. And like always, if you like these types of videos, hit that like and subscribe. Come grow with us.